I'm going to show you today some ideas for winter uses for our chili sauces and chocolates to use on your dinners in the colder months. Apple chili jelly and our smoked apple chili jelly. These are great to glaze gammon or ham with. In fact, they both just go really well with pork in any style or shape you want to use it. With sausages, fantastic. Manzanilla, there's a great recipe on our website now for a savoury bread and butter pudding with manzanilla. So check that out. Becky in the shop created that recipe, and that's a really good winter warmer. One pot supper. A great way to use our salsas, other than for dipping chips in, of course, is to mix into pasta as a quick pasta sauce. Obviously, you can use any of the three salsas for that, whichever flavour takes your fancy. My top picks for jacket potatoes is these two. A smoky one and a sweet one, depending on what your preference might be. I find the mango goes really well if you put cheese on your jacket potato, and the chipotle sauce goes really well if you put beans on your jacket potato. Extreme sauce is a great one to use if you're making chili con carne, just to add a couple drops to boost the spice level a bit. The other thing you can use to mix into chili con carne to make the sauce richer, of course, is a bit of chili chocolate. Top tip from Charlie, our social media manager, is to use Thai sweet chili sauce on any of your air fryer chicken recipes. Drinking chocolate, of course, can be used as it says on the jar in the winter season, but it's also fantastic for sprinkling on your ice cream sundae or baking with. You could also use either the original or one of our flavoured hot chocolates for sprinkling or mixing into a mocha drink. You can bake with any of our chocolate bars to add a kick to your favourite chocolate cake or chocolate tart recipe. Basically, all of our chili products are fantastic for the winter because they warm you up, not just once with your hot meal, but twice with the chili kick that follows.